Okay. Good morning, everyone. In the last class, we have discussed the concepts of graphs, where we have discussed two examples also, and we utilized it to find the answer. Sir, we will mark the king. Okay, yes, you can mark. Now tell me any doubts in question number one, please ask. Or in which question you found some sort of difficulty that you want me to discuss, I will discuss that question. In the first five questions, which question you found little bit difficult, I will discuss that. Please ask your doubts. Anyone having doubt, please ask. I will discuss. Question 1 D part. Okay. Question 5 by Aryan. Okay. Let us see first question number 1. In question 1, they are saying the following graph shows the temperature of a patient in a hospital. So you can see this is showing the time at which we are looking for the temperatures, and these are the temperatures that we have got. Let us see. So on x-axis we have time, on y-axis we have temperature. That's it. Now comes the scale thing. These are things that we should observe first. These things we should observe first in the graph before starting any question. Second thing we observe is the scale. If you observe the scale on x-axis, what do you get? You get that 1 unit is equal to how much? Class, please tell. On x-axis, 1 unit equal to, please tell. 1 unit equal to 1 hour. Very good. Because you can see after 1 unit, 1 hour is being added to all the times. So it is 1 unit equal to 1 hour. Similarly, on y-axis, what is the scale? 1 unit equal to how much? Please tell. It is 1 degree Celsius. Very good, Just. So this way we have found the scale also. Yes. Now comes the time for the question. Yes, Ananya, 1 degree or 1 degree Celsius will be better because 1 degree is nothing, but degree Celsius is everything for temperature. Now, the A part is saying, what was patient's temperature at 1 p.m.? Just look for 1 p.m. It is over here and try to locate the point. It is this point. Try to see here. It is this answer. What is this answer, class? Please tell me. It is lying between 36 and 37, and we know it is in the mid. So it is 36.5. Very easy. Then the second one is, what is the patient temperature? What was the patient's temperature? When was, sorry, 38.5. So it is here. Class C, this temperature they are asking at what time? So you can see this is corresponding to this one, and this is corresponding to this one. So answer is 12 p.m. So very easy. Now let's see directly D part, in which we have what was the temperature at 1:30 p.m. Okay. Class C, what was the temperature at 1:30 p.m.? First of all, you will see it is 1 p.m., it is 2 p.m. 1:30 is this point in the mid. So you will see during this whole period, temperature is constant. That is 36.5. It is constant line. So you can say it is that only. Okay. Yes, beta. Correct, Joel. Okay. Okay, class. Question number two. Any issue? Question number two, please ask. In question number two, any issue you found? No. Anyone having any issue in question number two? It is simple line graph only. What they are saying, let me take one or two parts. The following line graph shows yearly sales figure. So on the x-axis we have number of years. On the y-axis we have the sales in rupees. So what do we have to find? What are the sales in first part 2002? So again you will locate 2002 on the x-axis and you will find the point, that is 4. What 4? 4 is 4 crores rupees. Okay, that is the answer. Similarly 2006, if you see, this time you have to locate this point and this is the answer, that is rupees 8 crores. So this way we can find. If the scale is asked, you can say on the x-axis the scale is 1 unit equal to 1 year, and on the y-axis the scale is 1 unit equal to how much? 2 crores on y-axis. Okay. Now question number 3. Let us see this also. For an experiment in botany, class, do you know what is botany? Do you know what is botany? What is it? Please tell. What is botany? A subject. Very good. It is study of plants. Yes, good Abhinav, good Ananya. It is study of plants, and there is zoology. One in biology we have three parts. One is botany, second is zoology. So the zoology is about. Oh my God, Harshul gave the complete answer. But from Google you are giving it. Zoology is study of animals, and this botany is study of plants. Okay, so there are some people who are going for botany in the specialization in when they are doing their medical, and some are going in this one, zoology. Okay, now let us see question number 3. For an experiment in botany, two different plants, plant A and plant B, were grown under similar laboratory conditions. Okay, as we have seen the ads of Bonvita, there are one group of students given Bonvita, other not given. Like that, they are doing an experiment in which same conditions are given to two plants A and B. What they are doing is their heights were measured at the end of each week. After every week, they are measuring their height for 3 weeks. Means 3 times they have measured the heights, and this is the result they have got. The denominator we have weeks, so x-axis is having weeks, y-axis is having height. Yes, on x-axis we can say 1 unit equal to 1 week, and on y-axis we can have 1 unit equal to 2 centimeters. Yes, good. Now what the question is asking is, how high was plant A after 2 weeks and 3 weeks? Very easy. After 2 weeks means we have to see for this point. So we can say it is 7 centimeter high. And after third week, it is how much? I think 8, hai na? No, 9. After 3 weeks, it is 9. Okay. So you have to use a scale. If you have any confusion to see the straight lines, use a scale for that. It will make it very easy for you. Okay. Use a scale for that to reduce the confusions. Now we have how high was plant B? You can find very easily. How much did plant A grow during third week? कितना ग्रो किया प्लांट ए ने थर्ड वीक में? क्लास ट्राई टू सी इन द थर्ड वीक हाउ मच प्लांट ए ग्रो. टेल मी द आंसर. You have to see at 2, at second week end it was 7 centimeters, at third week end it is 9 centimeter. So we can say it has grown by how much? 2 centimeters in the third week. Try to understand, they're not asking what is the height in third week, they're asking how much it grew in the third week. उस पूरे ड्यूरेशन में कितना ग्रो हुआ हमारा प्लांट, दैट दे आर आस्किंग. टू फाइंड दैट इट इज सिमिलर टू द कंडीशन वी यूज इन आवर कार आल्सो. इफ यू आर गोइंग समवेयर, व्हाट यू डू, यू टेक द फाइनल calculation of distance on the odometer minus initial that you have noted down. Okay, sir, but weeks are not given. The weeks are given to you. Just please see, this is the first week, this is the first week, this is the second week, and this is the third week. Simple. By from 0 only we start, na? So from 0 when you started till 1, that was your first week. From 1 to 2 was your second week, and 2 to 3 was your third week. Okay, just please tell. So from where we have to see, from 1 week or from second week? Okay, don't confuse. Just let us see again. Let us try to understand this thing. First, let us understand the graph. What they are saying. They are saying from this point they are starting. From this point they are starting. That is 0. This is their 0. Now, if you see, if you have started for 0 to 7 days, and we have done 7 days, we can call it first week. Just can we call it first week from 0 to 1? That is, we have gone for 7 days. This is your first week. It is same as scale also. In scale also, if you see, you have 0 in the starting and you have 1 over here. ऐसा नहीं है कि this is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is this thing. Just try to understand. 1 centimeter is from 0 to 1. 2 centimeter is from 0 to 2. 3 centimeter is 0 to 3, that way. So this is the first week, this is the second week from 1 to 2, and this is the third week. So question is asking, in the third week the plant grew by how much? For that we have found, in the starting of third week, that is 7 centimeter, in the end of third week, that is 9 centimeter. So we have got, initially it was 7 centimeter, finally it was 9 centimeter. So it grew by 9 minus 7, 2 centimeter. Okay, now you understood. Good. Let us see the fourth. I guess this way only it will go on. Where the plants of same height during any weeks shown here. Okay. If you question is asking, at any point of week, were they having same height? Sir, in an interval 10 comes in 10 to 20 number, na? Haan. 10 comes in 10 to 20 only. Okay. So you can see at this point, they have same height. At the end of second week, they have same height. That is how much? 7 only. Yes. Now, let us take the question number 4. The following graph shows the temperature forecast and actual temperature for each day. So you have seen the news channel, they are forecasting the temperatures for a day. So today there will be this much maximum temperature, this much minimum temperature, rain could be there, ye wo karke they are predicting all the things so that you can be mentally prepared for all these things. But in actual, sometimes it is correct, sometimes it is wrong also. Sir, then why we take 1 to 2 weeks as second week? Okay, Joel, okay, wait. See, anything starts from 0. Okay, try to see, anything starts from 0. So in the scale also, if you see, okay, please see, yes, because it is running week. Yes, Vardhan is correct. So if you want to see from 0 to 1, then it becomes 1 centimeter. If you neglect this and you just measure from 1 and you say this is 4 centimeter, is this correct? Can we say, is this 4 centimeter, class? Please tell. Can we say this is 4 centimeter? No. This is how much? This is, final position is 4, initial position is 1, it is actually 3 centimeter. So you have to see, this 0 is required over here. This was your 1 centimeter. Similarly, in the weeks also, in the starting, you are taking it as 0 because you are starting the time to count now. After 7 days, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On this day, 7th day, you have got 1 week complete. 1 week is done. This is our first week. Now 8th day, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th day. This is your, Joel, second week. Then you have 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. This is your third week. That's it. Now you got this. Why we call between 1 and 2 as second week? Because it is running. आपकी एज भी ऐसी होती है बेटा. When you are born, we never say कि the child's age is 1 year. We take it as 0 the day you were born. After 1 year, suppose you were born on 1st November 2010. After first year, it become 1st November 2011. Now we say that you are 1 years old. ठीक है ना? From 0 we are counting always. Sir, what? So that's why we call 21st century instead of, yes, beta. That's why we call that way. So, although this is 2020 going on, but still we call it 21st century because it is running in that way. Okay. So Shaurya is correct in this thing, in this analogy. Good. Now, let's try to see question number 4 now. The following graph because I was always confused in these things. They used to say in 18th century, and then the year was given 1784. I used to think when it is 18th century, why the years are not 18 something? So after my, I think 10th, I used to get all these things. I hope you will don't have this doubt in your mind that why in 18th century the years are 1700 something. Yes, class. I was having this doubt a lot during my childhood. कि why they are calling it 18th century when it is 1700 something. Similar thing is now also. Okay, let's see question number 4. The following graphs shows the temperature forecast. Okay, we have seen maximum temperature of Delhi. Okay, you're giving the answer, Ananya. Good. See what they're asking. The first part is on which days the forecast temperature was same as the actual temperature. So you can see on Tuesday it is same. This point. First of all, the dotted lines are showing the forecast, and the solid line is showing the actual. So we cannot always tell the correct weather because weather is unpredictable. Yes, because there are many factors deciding that. Humidity is there, wind flow is there, many issues are there which are troubling or which are affecting the weather of your particular area. Okay, so Tuesday and on Friday, Vardhan is correct on these 2 days. Oh sorry, Sunday also, Vardhan. Sunday also, you can see Sunday also it is correct. They are also meeting the same position. So on 3 days they are exactly same, the prediction as well as the actual. The next question is what was maximum forecast temperature during the week? What was the maximum forecast, class? Try to see the dotted lines. Don't confuse. When it is saying the maximum forecast, you have to see the dotted lines. And you can see in the dotted lines, this is the maximum thing. Class, try to see. I think, sorry. This is the maximum one. My mistake. My mistake. In the dotted lines, this is the maximum one, because it is coming on the top. So on Sunday, there was a maximum temperature as per the prediction, and that is 35 degrees. Okay. Now, what is the minimum actual temperature? Please tell me what is the minimum actual temperature. On the graph, try to locate the point on solid lines which is minimum. Yes, you can see this is the point which is minimum on the solid line. That is 15. Good, Rachit. Joel. Joel, why 15.5 beta? I think it is 15 only. Please check. It is 15 only. Okay, so this way we have to locate the points very carefully. Okay. Now, question number 5. Use the tables below to draw a linear graph. Plus, we have understood these things very properly. You can take this as years on x-axis. You can take years on x-axis and days on y-axis. Very simple. Now let us see. On year you have these years 2003, 2004. So better you start from 0 and take a kink. Class, take a kink and then start from 2003. No issue. 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006. What do you say? Is it correct? Class, is it correct? Okay. Similarly, on this, you can take a king if you want. I think we have to start from 5. So you can take a king if you want, and you can start from 5 only to reduce, or you can start from 4 also. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or you can take a gap of 2 also, because we have to reach till 12. You could have taken a gap of 2 also. Let me take that. A gap of 2. So I am taking like this 4, 4 will be fine. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Class, why I have taken this as 2 difference? Because the values were lot and I would have to make a long graph. Sir, can we take without gap also? Yes, you can take by that also. You can take start from 1 also. If you have a lot of graph paper, a complete graph you want to use, you can start from 1 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 12. Okay, but in this year case, you can't start from there. You can't start from 1. Then you will have to go for 2000 divisions. Then you will get the answer. Okay, so you can write the scale over here on the top and then try to locate. The first position is 2003 and 8. 2003 is here, 8 is here. We get the point over here. And you have to write like this: 2003, comma 8. This is the coordinate. Ananya saying we can start from 8 also. But Ananya, in that case, this 5 you won't be able to get. You have to see the minimum value. The minimum value is 5. You have to cover 5 also, na beta? You can't take a from 8. Okay. The second value is 2004 and 10. 2004 is here, 10 is here. The answer is somewhere here. 2004, comma 10. I have told you we always write the x coordinate first and then we write the y coordinate. Please don't confuse in that thing. That is a convention being used all over the world in the graphs. Okay. Now, same is here also. In this question, you have two quantities to compare. So you can take two colors if you want. Suppose you are taking red color for men and blue color for women. Or you can take like book also. You can take a solid line and a dotted line. Whatever you like, you can go like that. In this case also, you will draw the graph. Now, what will we take on the denominator? Sorry, on the x-axis, we will take the years. On y-axis, we will take number of men or women. Just put the values. Now, in the y-axis, we will take the kink 2003, 2004, 2005. On this y-axis, what scale should be used, class? On this y-axis, what scale should we use? I think here 1 will be better. Scale of 1 will be better. What do you say? Yes. And we will take a kink also and start with 10, 11, 12, 13. In your graph paper, the green one, you will find 10 divisions between them. That divisions will help you to locate these points easily. Yes, class? In the graph paper that you use, it is already having 10 division between them. So you can easily find these values. Okay? Okay, correct. Now, the last question in which Aryan was saying he has doubt, I am discussing that now. Question number 7. Can there be a temperature graph as follows? Yes, beta, each of 1 mm. In the graph paper that you are having, it is 1 centimeter and each small dash which is of 1 mm. She is correct. Sir, it is a form of double graph. No, beta, it is not double graph. It is double line graph. You are using two lines. Just that's it. Try to use different colors or different patterns to show men and women. That's it. It will be correct. Okay, Ashna? Okay. Now see this question. Can there be a time temperature graph as follows? Class, tell me, is first kind of graph possible? That time is increasing, temperature is increasing. You can observe with the time increasing, temperature is increasing. Is this kind of graph possible? And if it is possible, tell me during what time of day you can say this is possible. During what time of day you can find this kind of graph. You have 24 hours. During what time of day you can find this kind of graphs? Please tell. In afternoon? No. In afternoon it is what you say stacked at the highest point. It is in the morning time when temperature is starting to increase from low to high. This is that time. From morning to afternoon, you can say. Class, this is like morning to afternoon because sun is rising, temperature will increase with time till 12 o'clock or till 1 o'clock, like that. Now tell me, is this possible that time is increasing, temperature is decreasing? Is this second graph possible? Please tell. Yes, it is like afternoon to evening. We can say temperature was high in the afternoon and you are going to evening. Sir, we have to tell these graphs are possible. हाँ बेटा, हमें बताना है कि इनमें से which graph is possible. First graph is possible because it is showing the time of morning to afternoon. Second graph is possible, it is showing the condition of afternoon to evening, you can say. Now, yes, that is also correct. You can say afternoon to night also, that is also correct. Third one, please tell me, is this possible that at the same time you are getting temperature of suppose this much, temperature this much, this much, this much, this much, this much, and keep on going? Is it possible? At the same time of 1 hour, temperature is 5 also, 6 also, 7 also, 8 also, 100 also, 200 also. Is it possible? At one time we can have only one temperature, na class? Try to understand. At what time, at one time you can have only one temperature. That is why this is not possible. पॉसिबल ही नहीं है क्योंकि एक समय पे एक ही टेम्परेचर पॉसिबल है. ओके, नाउ टेल मी दिस वन, इज दिस पॉसिबल? इज द फोर्थ वन पॉसिबल? नो स्मृति, इट इज पॉसिबल. Temperature can be constant. Suppose I have kept you in a laboratory condition. Okay, suppose I have kept you in a laboratory condition where I have fixed the temperature at, or suppose I am having a AC at my home. Suppose I am having a AC at my home and temperature is fixed at 20 degrees Celsius. It will keep it constant only, na? It will keep constant only. Time is increasing. By time अभी हुआ 9 बज रहे हैं. At 10 o'clock temperature is same. At 11 o'clock temperature is same. So I am not changing the temperature. That is why this graph is also correct. But this was wrong because at the same time you cannot have multiple temperatures. That is why first, second, fourth are possible. Third is not. Third is not possible. Third is not possible. I gave you the analogies, and with this exercise is done. Try these questions of exercise 15.2. I have made you people ready for all the questions of all the exercise. You can try them very easily. Okay, the concept that you have learned in the first class will only help you here also. Okay, try to use that concept and find these things. Okay, let us stop the recording.